The 2018 Lincoln MKX. The Lincoln MKX offers performance and a distinctly powerful ride that's ahead of the curve. Boasting excellent launch and acceleration with a powerful engine that delivers plenty of horsepower, the Lincoln MKX is truly empowered for action. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, active suspension system, heated front seats, fog lights, electronic stability control, AM/FM CD player with 6 speakers, compass, trip computer, power windows, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, brake assist, overhead console, tachometer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.